Previously on Lambros. We're out of state. He's running it real quick.
What's the reason for speeding today?
None. Oh, sorry.
Hey, come on, I got my drawings on. No, I came here to record.
Dave from DDE is going to interview me about my Joel the Veteran video because everybody's asking what happened and why is Joel on the ground.
Joel.
All right.
Come on, Joel.
You want a picture? Let's take a picture.
No.
What is he doing?
He hit me.
He hit you?
Uh-huh.
Do you want me to call the police?
No. It's fine.
Are you joking with me?
No.
Man, are you joking?
No.
Hey! Get out! Get out! Corvette here. He's got a Mustang. There's actually a 350. It's not the Eleanor, but it's the 350 65 Mustang. Grand Sport. Aaron Antis, you've got one of those, and another Mustang. So kind of some tricked out rides. So, but stick around for my interview with Dave, and you'll see it on DDE's channel, and you'll see it here later. There, that flips down. This is an RV, bros. And then look, you sneaky over here to this, and you got up top. So that's like two more vehicles up here. This is basically, if you like to race cars, your cars have a really cool place to hang out, and then you have a place to lay your head. Love it. Hell yeah. So this is fast? I don't know, you want to find out? Yeah. My Huracan's in Sarasota. I was going to try to ship it here, but I couldn't get it here. I was
Would you live down here or you just visit?
Hey,
Come on, I got my drawings on. No, I came here to record. No.
Record what?
Oh, just that slow ass Honda and slow ass GTR.
Fuck this
I'll
shit
race your
up.
cap from 40 right now.
Are you
Right
serious?
now. 40
So it's
right
locked.
now.
It's locked.
Right now.
It's locked.
6,
How much?
right now.
How much?
100.
Huh? That's it? That's all you got?
Hey, what about, hey. So then I sent that to Bill. Of course, thank you, Travis, for photoshopping that, because by the time Bill sees this, he'll think that I'm going to keep this going for weeks. I'm actually going to tell Bill that I've actually got a hold of Jay and let him put it on all the promotional stuff that Jay Leno is actually coming to Lamborghini Festival. Okay? Sorry, Bill. So, but Jay Leno's definitely not coming to Lamborghini Festival. Okay, so second prank is I'm at my sister-in-law's house with my nephew Van. Okay, he's doing like homeschool or whatever. I thought it would be great because the girls are gone, right? So we're gonna go get Van's phone. We're gonna get right here, and Van's gonna fake cry, right? Because you can do it. We're gonna make them think that I lost my cool, okay? Like I lost it, and like slap the crap out of him or hit him or something. So stick around, we're gonna go get his phone, we'll do that. At Lamborghini, Josh grabbed the keys. Thank you, Josh.
Anytime.
Grab the keys to this SLS you can see behind me. Now this is why you buy this car. Look at this. Look at the, just look at the doors up. I mean, that is, it's the same reason we just said why you buy an Aventador, because the doors are up. But more importantly is the interior of this thing. Look at the red. I mean, wow. I love the white on red, and look at the carbon fiber. This is a 2011 with only 5,000 miles. Looks like it's got a active wing that comes up in the back. This is a clean car. 5,000 miles, 2011, so it's 10 years old. Look at the interior, is so clean. I mean, 5,175 miles. Dude, somebody just let this sit, like it's so pretty. A V8, what do we decide here? It's a 6.2 liter V8, naturally aspirated. The color is Mystic White 2, and it's rear wheel drive. Dude, this is a sick car. 2099. I don't know, guys. I think cool car for 200 grand. You might have to check it out. Tell me what you think about the SLS. Now we had called a Mercedes McLaren SLR in Tulsa. My friend Miko that had that there. That was pretty cool. The doors opened a little bit differently, but this gull wing door is like one of the best, I think. I mean, these things are just really freaking cool. So like I said, we grabbed some merch. We gave Josh some keychains. We're gonna come back when they have more inventory. It's crazy the way that the real estate market is right now, and it's crazy the way that the car market is. There's no cars. There's no used cars. There's no brand new cars. So if you want a car, you're ordering it, and if you want a house, you're building it. So it's pretty nuts. All right, we got it. It's gonna be 3347. That's our code. So let's put the code in there.
Let me do it.
Okay, hold on. I already have one. 3, 3, We did the cross went here, and then it went Y, P, E.
5 years!
We have a 5-year on here.
5 years!
Guys, they're listening.
Speakers and louders. How do you make a louder? This?
Don't say anything incriminating.
Alright, we need a key.
The ambassador is aware of your situation. Sit tight. We are trying to get you out of there. Next time, call directly into the ambassador's office.
915.
Try 3915.
What was the code plus B? The 3-digit code.
3915B.
That's where the key is.
Yeah, but 3 on the 10.
I like speaking. I like to see you. So, again, everything well. So thank you.
But this thing is amazing. I just got back from Cali and I saw pictures of this and I was like, Jacob, I have to get there now. So I landed today, made my way to hidden location of where this is at, just so I could see it. So there's a lot more work to get done. We're headed to Sarasota. He's gonna run the 2,000 horsepower R8 and the 1,500 horsepower Huracan next week. So probably be rolling out there to see that, go see Hefner, go see my Huracan. It'll be, it's still in Sarasota. So what do you guys think about this thing? I mean, this thing, I'm gonna flip these lights off, but, oh, I turned on the spotlights out there, huh? So, dude, this thing is ridiculous, bro. I couldn't get it open, but oh my goodness. Good Lord! So, you guys tell me what you think. Maybe you can guess, like I will tell you that this is very long, but how long do you think it is? I mean, is it 70 feet? Is it 85 feet? Is it 90 feet? Is it 80 feet?
Okay, come on. Hey, come on, bro. Hold on. Hold on, I got my stimmy check. I got my money on him. I got my money on him. I got my stimmy.
So I had to throw the camera on because people are getting crazy over here. So.
I'm the winner!
Yo, Papa Willie.
Hit a card!
Papa Willie.
He gonna take his victory home.
Fastest Honda in town.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just gonna put everybody on video so they'll go watch to find themselves.
Yeah,
all right,
we're gonna go
all right.
watch it,
Well,
man.
all right.
You know what I'm saying?
Give your
Shout out to
Instagram
ATL,
tags.
put it on, huh?
Give your Instagram tags.
Oh,
or-
drippy.gyp, man. Oh, yeah.
No Instagram. We don't want to know. No. You know, he's gonna be on YouTube, so he'll go watch it, and then the crowd. So.
Advertise myself. He's giving me the opportunity, man.
Yeah, there
I
you go.
use it, you know what I'm saying? Drippy GYP, get at me, man.
Drippy
I'm up
GYP.
next. I'm up next, you know?
He's up next. You saw it here first.
Yes, sir.
On Lambros!
Okay, exactly. So I'm just saying, if they want to race, Kelvin's cool as I'm not saying, but everybody else is, oh, the Honda's fast, Honda is fast. But let's race.
Ain't nobody did ride no Honda. So whatever we put up, whenever we can come to get together to put on Kelvin's car, you'll match it. Simple as that.
Nobody said it was slow.
In my opinion, it's the fastest one in Georgia.
And nobody said it was
I
slow,
think it's
bro.
actually-
Everything deserves
I
its
think
respect.
you'll
Just
be.
like I told you,
I think
you
you'll
want to
be
race
James
the
and
M6?
Nino.
It's fast.
It's a little drama going on here, man. What do you think's going on here?
You want to race the M6? I told you, you gotta
That ain't a
respect
Karen, that's a Johnny.
What's going on here?
Easy way out.
He's challenging you.
and then shake your hand. No, you're a real man. Yeah. You're a Superman.
Okay, me and you 40 roll tonight.
40 roll.
I put my drags on. So I can hook.
You got the hit.
I got that.
You got, when we get next to each other, I give you thumbs up. You got 3 seconds to leave.
4140.
41-20.
Nah, I need my drags.
McLaren with the 3 seats. It's the newest one. I can't remember the name of it, but this is it. This is the McLaren with 3 seats. Smile, boys. Hey, Bill. You gonna let that Mustang go?
What do I do? What do I do?
Say, hey, it's exotic.
Sorry,
only,
man.
bro.
Can't.
Gonna shut him down.
No, he's a race driver. You doing all right? Park right there. We got like one spot left right here. So okay. Hey, guy. Hey, how are you? I'm doing all right?
Bill shut down the Ford Mustang. Said, nope, you ain't getting in, bro.
Exotics only, baby. Exotics only.
That's Dave.
3, 2, 1. Okay, I am now able to say you're immediately a punk just because you have one. And
Yeah.
anybody that knows me knows that I didn't come from a wealthy family. I work 7 days a week. I'm in the mortgage business. I do home loans.
Okay, Lambros, there you have it. I didn't record a bunch of what happened with Dave. They're going to release that on their Facebook, so you have to go check out Daily Driven Exotics on Facebook and see that. I don't really want to talk right now until I have an attorney.
Oh my God, they're joking. We're doing that. We're trying to enjoy the day. She's an hour and a half away.
This is a massive hidden garage. This is the Paul Walker car. That's the one he died in. Not the one, because that one's burnt to the ground. We've convinced him to drive the Performante. I think I almost got a mirror to the face. Oh, good Lord. I got to go back and watch that. Watch out, man. Good thing this isn't a fat girl. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.